Welcome to my friends on the TV. It's the Nedbank Cup. TS Galaxy 1, Durban City 2. I'm joined by Untombi.
Don't join Ntombi ngiloya ngibhlungu kangaka shem loya kayi2 saluze calling Black Label against Stellenbosch today Nedbank Cup again Durban City ngibhlungu but I want to say halala to Mpumalanga, Phakama Mpumalanga, Kruger United. It's not too much team in Mpumalanga. I want to say congratulations, boys. Although ngibhlungu still, but one thing for sure, ngibhlungu kusibaqoshe coach, bafaka a new coach. Yabo, you can't ngema last minute ulethe coach lo new one. Yabo, ngibhlungu kakhulu. But anyway. Football can kill you. It is what it is.
Yeah,
thank you.